Zacchaeus was a man weighed down by many wrongs. He had cheated, he had taken from others, and his life reflected it. But one day Jesus came into his life. That encounter sparked true change. Zacchaeus just didn't feel sorry. He acted. He declared, I will give half of my possessions to the poor, and if I have cheated anyone, I'll repay them 4 times as much. Luke 19, verse number 8. Friends, this is the power of true repentance plus restitution. True repentance is never complete if it stops at guilt or regret. When you have wronged someone, God calls you to make it right, to restore, to repay. That is when healing begins and when blessing flows. Hear this. Repentance that costs you nothing changes nothing. Sorry is a word, restoration is an action. You can't walk right with God while standing wrong with people. If you broke it, fix it. If you took it, return it. If you damaged it, restore it. That's why Jesus said, today salvation has come to this house. Zacchaeus just didn't meet Jesus. Jesus entered his house. And when Jesus entered his house, he just didn't come to visit. He came to rearrange.